We are the Group 5 presenting the blockchain technology. For the scope of our presentation, we have description, purpose, advantages and disadvantages, firms producing this product, organization who have implemented these tools, benefits it costs the organization, and competitive advantage to my organization.
Good day, sir. I'm Christine Pepito from Group 5 and I'm here to discuss the meaning of blockchain technology. A blockchain is a distributed database that is shared among the nodes of a computer network. As a database, a blockchain stores information electronically in digital format. Blockchains are the most known for their crucial role in cryptocurrency system. It maintains a secure and decentralized record of transactions. The innovation with the blockchain is that it guarantees the fidelity and security record of data and generates trust without the need for a trusted third party. The blockchain is the newest and perspective technology in modern economy. This technology can help to solve different kind of problems in the industrial sphere, such as trust, transparency, security, and reliability of data processing. A simple analogy for understanding blockchain technology is a Google Doc. When we create a document and share it with a group of people, the document is distributed instead of copied or transferred. This creates a decentralized distribution chain that gives everyone access to the document at the same time. No one is locked out awaiting changes from another party, while all modifications to doc are being recorded in real time, making changes completely transparent. To continue the discussion, here's Ms. Briones Minet to tackle the purpose of blockchain technology.
The purpose of blockchain technology is to allow users to manipulate the ledger in a secure way without the help of a third party. It provides immediate, shared, and completely transparent information that's stored in a mutable ledger that can only be accessed by permitted network members. The next purpose is to allow a free cryptocurrency through decentralized environment. Blockchain does not store in a central location, instead it copied and spread across a network of computers. The computer on the network updates its blockchain to reflect the change when a new block is added to the blockchain.
To continue the discussion about blockchain technology, let me discuss its advantage and disadvantage. The advantages are: first, process integrity. This program was made in such a way that any block or even a transaction that adds to the chain cannot be edited, which ultimately provide a very high range of security. The second is traceability. The format of blockchain design is such a way that it can easily locate any problem and correct if there is any. Third is security. Blockchain technology is highly secure because of the reason each and every individual who enters into the blockchain network is provided with a unique identity which is linked to their accounts. This ensures that the owner of the account himself is operating the transaction. The block encryption is the chain make it tougher for any hacker to disturb the traditional setup of the chain. And lastly, faster processing. Before the innovation of the blockchain, the traditional banking organization take a lot of time in processing and initiating the transaction, but after the blockchain technology speed up of the transaction increased to a very high extent. Before this, the overall banking process take around 3 days to settle, but after the introduction of blockchain, the time reduced to nearly minutes or even a seconds. However, the blockchain technology also has a disadvantages. First is power use. Blockchain technology got introduced with Bitcoin. It uses the proof of work consensus procedure that rely on the miners to do the hard work. The miners are incentives to solve complex mathematical problems. The high energy consumption is what makes these complex mathematical problems not so ideal for the real work. Every time the ledger is updated with a new transaction, the miners need to solve the problem, which means spending a lot of energy. Next is cost. The underlying cost of implementing blockchain technology is huge. Even though most of the blockchain solutions include Hyperledger are open source, they require a lot of investment from the organizations that is willing to pursue it. Lastly is scalability. Blockchains are not scalable as their counterpart centralized system. His problem is related to scalability issues. With blockchain networks, a simple word, the more people or nodes join the network, the chances of slowing down is more.
As you can see, this is the blockchain adoption stage of top institutions. 16 companies are still in research, 14 are in pilot, 24 companies in development, and 27 in production. Most companies in production or implementing this technology are in banking and financial services, media and entertainment, telecommunications, and retail and consumer goods. Blockchain technology focused on payments, enterprise services, and other blockchain services.
For the benefits it costs the organization, we have enhanced security, greater transparency, instant traceability, increased efficiency and speed, and automation. In enhanced security, blockchain helps prevent fraud and unauthorized security when creating a record that can be altered and encrypted end to end. It also uses permissions to prevent access and anonymizing personal data. Then, for greater transparency, blockchain uses a distributed ledger which transactions and data are recorded identically in multiple locations. All the network participants with permission access will see the same information at the same time with full transparency. The member of the organization enables to view the entire history of the transaction and eliminates any opportunity for fraud. Then the next is the instant traceability. Blockchain shared data about attribution directly with customers. The increase in efficiency and speed is documentation can be stored on the blockchain with transaction details and eliminate the need to exchange paper. Thus, speed is much faster. The last one is automation, where transactions are automated that increase the efficiency and speed of the process.
Blockchain technology has competitive advantage to my organization because it can assist shape future military logistics and planning by increasing data confidence and availability. When information transfer needs to be quick and actionable, data sharing over a blockchain can strengthen trust in detailed accounting, promote seamless communication, reduce data variation, and mitigate friction points. Further, research and development of blockchain technology for military application could yield considerable benefit in terms of building digital tools to improve logistical planning in tactical, operational, and strategical domains.
In the real estate industry, the competitive advantage of implementing blockchain technology are securing data sharing, streamlines rental collections, and payments from property owners. It increases operational efficiency and allows time and cost savings.
Our organization is mostly based on the large data that we gathered and was presented for easily understanding in traceability when problem encountered. This tool will help our organization in securing data information, increase the speed of updating data, and transparency that can be shared to different branches of our organization throughout the world since we have different branches internationally.
That ends our presentation. Thank you and good day.